Hello students, welcome to Babbar's Academy. In this video, I am going to tell you how to find sodium from sodium chloride with the help of conversion formula. As the statement is given, how many grams of sodium can be produced from 6.78 grams of sodium chloride. First of all, we will write the equation and check if it is balanced or not. The equation is balanced. 2 sodium chloride will produce 2 sodium plus Cl2. From here, we see 2 sodium chloride, 2 will produce 2 sodium and 1 chlorine. This is the stoichiometry whole number ratio. Now, what is given? 6.78 grams of sodium chloride produces how many grams of sodium? This is according to the statement. I am going to write the conversion factors first of all. What we will see, first thing we will see the molar ratio, and the other thing the conversions that I'll show you in a conversion box. You can make a conversion box here. First thing we will see 2 sodium chloride. That means 2 mole. This is the molar ratio. 2 mole sodium chloride is equal to 2 mole sodium. Every single problem must have mole ratio. So this is the mole ratio. 2 mole sodium chloride produces 2 mole sodium. You have to write these formulas along with this. Second thing is take 1 mole sodium chloride is equal to, this is molar, its atomic mass. It is 23 plus 35.5. That means 58.5 grams of sodium chloride. Next, sodium. 1 mole sodium is equal to 23 grams sodium. Now it will be easy to calculate. How to calculate it? First you write what is given. 6.78 grams of sodium chloride is given. Now you have to make boxes like this. Make 3 boxes. One more, and like this. 6.78 grams sodium chloride. Now you write here what I take this first. 1 mole sodium chloride is equal to 58.5 grams of sodium chloride. To cancel this gram sodium chloride, we will write 58.5 gram sodium chloride. And this is equal to 1 mole sodium chloride this will be written like this. This gram sodium chloride cancels with gram sodium chloride. Now we will write in this box one to calculate this. We will cancel this sodium chloride 2 mole. Now 2 mole we will take this thing. 2 mole sodium chloride is equal to 2 mole sodium. Now this mole sodium chloride cancel with mole sodium chloride. Now what is left? Sodium. 2 mole sodium. We are left with this. So we will write 1 mole sodium is equal to 23 gram sodium. We will cancel this mole sodium with mole sodium. What is left? We are left with 6.78 multiplied by 23 grams. One more thing, it is 2 is left over here. 2 divided by 58.5 into 2. 6.78 multiplied by 23 into 2 divided by 58.5. You can omit this because it is also here. You can write only 23. 6.78 into 23 into 2 and divided by 58.5 into 2. 2 will be cancelled and this will come 2.66 grams because here is the gram, and 2.7 you can say grams of sodium. You can write this complete over here like this. You can calculate with the help of conversion formula or conversion formula and by making conversion box. This is the easiest method by which this is the part of a stoichiometry. This is the easiest method by which you can find out how to find the how many grams of sodium can be produced from the sodium chloride or any other salt, whatever the quantity is given. That's all. If you like my video, comment and share it. Please subscribe my channel also. For more information, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.